Hello everyone. Today I'm going to speak about regex operators and how you can use that on your search console and what are the benefits of that. So first of all, let us understand what regex is. So regex is basically regular expressions, which is a set of commands which you can use in your Google search console to abstract or extract some series of information and filter out data accordingly. Come, let us find out. So as you can see, first you need to hit down onto your performance tab, click on the plus icon new, go into the queries, then custom regex, and then you can paste down your commands. Now over the next few slides, as you can see, we can do a lot of things. You can extract intentful based keywords, like the keywords it starts with why, how, then. So this is the command which you can see. I'll put the command in the description which you can use. So you can get some meaningful queries which you can reutilize in your contents to better optimize for the search traffic. The second one, you can also find out the long tail keywords as well. Replace the number 4 by any number of word limit of the keywords you want to. If you want a keyword of 6 words count, then replace the 4 by 6 or replace the 4 by 3. It's up to you. If you also want to find the unusual URL parameters, this is the regex command which you should be utilizing. So in a nutshell, regex is very essential. You can visit the Google's official library to find out essential regex parameters. You can do A/B testing, play around with that, and with the help of regex, you can literally build your search custom strategies. You can gather enough information about the queries which your campaign is having and reiterate that in your real-time strategy to gain your piece of search traffic. Thanks for watching.